Hello friends, welcome back to SM Max Topper. Now in this video we are going to solve sample paper for CBSE class 10 basic max. Now we will do question number 5. If A and B are co-prime numbers, then find the HCF of A and B. We know that if x and y are co-prime numbers, then only 1 is the common factor between them. So the HCF here is 1. Now we will do question number 6. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm. If the angle of the sector is 60 degree, take pi as 22/7. Now, in this question, we have to find out the area of the sector. We know area of the sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. We know theta is 60 degree. It is given in the question. And radius is given 6 centimeter. And we have to use the value of pi as 22/7 as given in the question. Now, when we put the values in the formula, we get area is equal to 60/360 into 22/7 into 6 square. So that will be 60/360 into 22/7 into 6 into 6. Now you can cancel 0, 0, 6. How many 6 are there in 36? 1. Now here you have 1/6 into 22/7 into 6 into 6. Again you can cancel this 6 and this 6. So what is left? You have 22 into 6/7, that is equal to 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 132/7. Okay, you have the answer 18.86. Now question number 6, second part. A horse tied to a pole with 28-meter long rope. Find the perimeter of the field where the horse can graze. Take pi is equal to 22/7. Here the horse is tied to the pole by using a rope of length 28 meter. Now see, suppose this is the pole and the horse is tied with the rope of length 28 meter. See, the horse can move in a circular motion, isn't it? It can maximum move in the form of a circle. That means our required perimeter here will be the perimeter of the circle. And what will be the radius? Since it is tied to the rope of length 28 meter, wherever it moves, see, this will be the maximum length, no? That means the radius of the circle is 28 meter. And the formula for the circumference of the circle is, see, required perimeter here. Required perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, and we can use the value 22/7 for the pi, and radius is 28. So on cancelling you will get 4 7s are 28, isn't it? That's equal to 2 into 22 into 4. That's equal to 2 into 2 4 are right, 2 4 are right, 88. That is equal to 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 7, 176 centimeter. So required perimeter is 176 centimeter. Now we are going to do question number 7. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC, angle ADE is equal to 70 degree and angle BAC is equal to 50 degree. Then angle BCA equal to dash. Now here it is given, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and angle ADE is 70 degree and angle A is 50 degree. Now we have to find out angle BCA. Now it is given DE parallel to BC. See, DE is given parallel to BC in the question, isn't it? That means angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Angle ADE is equal to angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and that is equal to 70 degree. So here angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Now in triangle ABC, consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA. Angle BAC plus ABC plus BCA is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we have angle BAC. What is angle BAC here? Angle BAC is equal to 50 degree plus angle ABC. ABC is 70 degree plus angle BCA, that we don't know, we are going to find out, is equal to 180 degree. Now you got 50 plus 70 is equal to 120 degree plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. Now we have angle BCA is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. So we got the answer, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree. Now we are going to do second part of question number 7. In the given figure, AD is 2 cm, BD is 3 cm, AE is 3.5 cm and AC is 7 cm. Is DE parallel to BC? Now in this question, it is given AD is 2 cm, BD is 3 cm, AE is 3.5 cm and AC is 7 cm. Now we have to find out whether DE is parallel to BC. Now see here, AD is 2 cm and BD is 3 cm. Now here we have AE is equal to 3.5 cm. What is EC? EC, we don't know that. EC is equal to AC minus AE. AC minus AE. What is AC here? AC is 7 and AE is 3.5. So EC is equal to 7 minus 3.5 is 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the ratio in which the line DE divides both the sides. So AD by DB is equal to 2 by 3. Now AE by EC is equal to 3.5 by 3.5. That will be 1 by 1, isn't it? We can cancel. So it will be 1 by 1. Now this shows AD by DB is not equal to AE by EC. So by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say DE is not parallel to BC. DE not parallel to BC by the converse of basic proportionality theorem.